Rumors and unproven claims continue to flare up online. And that's why the Verify team is here. We go to the experts to answer your questions, like this one from Bruce Whitman in Maryland.
My question has to do with all the extra business at the food pantries. God bless them for stepping up. But I'm wondering if the food is past its expiration date, is it still safe to eat?
To find out, we turn to our sources, the U.S. Department of Agriculture and an assistant professor of microbial food safety at Cornell University. Our experts say that in general, most food date labels tell you when the food is at peak quality, not whether they're safe. Take these 3 labels on items I grabbed from the fridge. Best if used by is about a product's best flavor or quality. Used by, that's the last date recommended for peak quality. And sell by tells the store how long to keep it on the shelf. The USDA says none of those labels tell you about a product's safety, with one exception: baby formula. One of our experts, Abby Snyder, says the shelf life of food really depends on what you're eating.
So shelf-stable foods in your pantry, like canned foods or dry goods, are safe to eat after their best before date listed. Fresh cut produce like melon, soft cheeses, lunch meat, they often bear that use by date that should be followed.
As for how long food will stay good after those label dates, the USDA says that depends on the type of food and how it's stored. Things like temperature and moisture. They say the best advice is the simple advice. If it smells bad or if it has a weird texture or flavor, just throw it out. So we can verify. In general, it's okay to go past those best if used by and sell by labels. Those labels indicate tastiness, but not safety. With your Verify, I'm Evan Kozloff.
Now, your WUSA 9 weather forecast, sponsored by Cox.
All right, we're talking labels here. What are you labeling tomorrow, Top?
More like March. I mean, I'm getting tired of these April days that remind us of March, but another March-like day tomorrow. And yes, Leslie, another yellow weather alert. We just had to do it. Showers are on the way. It's not going to rain all day, but showers are on the way, and just kind of nuisance showers. And we're trying to get, outside, so it's going to be hard. Here's the deal. There's all the showers. Pretty good little upper air disturbance. A lot of showers in Michigan and night down into Ohio and Indiana. And that's going to head our way. It looks pretty impressive there. We're not going to get a lot of shower activity. Some folks may not see anything. So I would say half of us will see something. So has it been a wet April? Are we on track for a record April? Here's the deal. We've had over 5 inches of rain. Now, this is at National, less so at Dulles. So we have about 2.5 inches in the bank for the month of April. What's interesting, though, for the entire year to date, a little over 13 inches, but only about 1.75 inches for a surplus. So not that much in terms of yearly rainfall. By the way, we'd like to have a big surplus before we go into summer. That's a good thing. All right, so the 518. Well, we're calling for some rain on Thursday. We could actually get into 10th place, which is a dubious record, if we get a little bit over, say, 9/10 or so, and we'll go in 10th place. So we'll see. It's possible. The threat looks a little bit less on Thursday than it did, say, last night or the night before. All right, next few hours. Well, we're looking at temperatures on the chilly side. I mean, low 40s downtown. Now, notice it's dry until about 11 o'clock downtown as temps crawl back in the 50s. But again, it's going to feel like March tomorrow. It won't be windy tomorrow. That's the good news, but it will be kind of miserable. So, yeah, yellow weather alert Tuesday with some showers. Warmer Wednesday, a shower possible. We'll hold off a yellow weather alert Wednesday. We'll focus on Thursday because heavy rain and storms are possible. So probably good enough for a yellow weather alert. All right, let's talk about rainfall the next couple of days. Not much, because remember, this will not include Thursday's rain. So what falls tomorrow is not a huge deal, but just nuisance showers. And that's why we issued the yellow weather alert. Temps, well, up and down. 59, maybe 60 tomorrow if we're lucky, but then we're in the 70s on Wednesday and Thursday. But then May rolls in, low 60s on Friday with showers, but we rebound nicely, low 70s on Saturday as we start the weekend. So we're dry with clouds returning by 6 o'clock tomorrow, upper 30s, maybe 39 in Frederick, 40, 39 in Leesburg to start. And then the showers roll in. And again, not everyone's going to see showers. Best chance for showers will be in the afternoon, but the chance for showers will continue through the evening and even into early tomorrow night. So yellow weather alert Tuesday, some showers. Okay, Wednesday, warmer, maybe a shower, and then storms and maybe some heavy rain on Thursday. We'll watch that very carefully. Kind of a cold start to May, but then we redeem ourselves. Saturday and Sunday, we're in the